Welcome back to Sir Boat's Yacht Water Taxi, where we
explore the most innovative and exciting ways humans
have learned to conquer water. Today we're taking a close look at something that blurs the line between land and sea, a vehicle that turns heads and stirs curiosity wherever it goes, the amphibious bus. It drives like a traditional city bus, but the moment it reaches a waterway it transforms into a boat and cruises right on. This unique hybrid of land and marine transport is more than a tourist attraction, it's a practical solution for cities with rivers, lakes or harbors, and it's changing how we think about transportation infrastructure. The amphibious bus is designed to operate seamlessly on both land and water. Its key feature lies in its dual capability to function as a fully roadworthy vehicle and as a certified watercraft. This makes it ideal for cities that face seasonal flooding or have large waterfronts. It also makes for a one-of-a-kind tour experience, giving passengers a new perspective of familiar places. The technology behind it involves an integration of marine-grade materials with traditional automotive systems, all engineered to handle the challenges of both environments. One of the most impressive aspects of the amphibious bus is its structural design. Unlike regular buses, the entire lower portion of the chassis is built as a watertight hull that allows the vehicle to float when it enters the water. The body is reinforced with corrosion-resistant materials such as marine-grade aluminum and treated composites, which help withstand long-term exposure to water. The front end is typically shaped like a boat's bow, allowing it to cut through water smoothly, while the wheels either retract partially or stay fixed depending on the design, minimizing drag while afloat. The exterior design includes important safety and navigation elements required by maritime law, including marine navigation lights, lifebuoys, water level sensors and fenders to protect the hull from damage when docking. The upper structure closely resembles a regular city or tour bus with large panoramic windows that allow passengers to enjoy views whether on a road or floating through a harbor. The visual identity is often bright and bold, using colors like yellow, orange or blue, making it both fun and functional in high traffic environments. Moving inside the amphibious bus, you'll find a layout
that is instantly familiar but with subtle adaptations for its dual environment purpose. Passenger seating is typically arranged in rows with comfortable padding and safety belts. The seats are made from water-resistant materials and the floor uses non-slip marine-grade surfaces that provide grip and safety when wet. The wide panoramic windows enhance the experience, letting in lots of natural light and offering a nearly 360-degree view when cruising through the water.
The bus interior is usually climate-controlled for comfort, and some models come equipped with advanced multimedia systems for entertainment or guided tours. Overhead compartments may include life jackets or flotation cushions depending on regulations. In some designs, retractable roofs or sunshades are also included, especially for sightseeing services. Ventilation systems are marine certified, ensuring adequate air circulation even when the bus is sealed, while afloat emergency exits are positioned to work in both land and marine modes, and all components are built to meet the safety standards of both road transport and maritime law. In terms of performance, the amphibious bus holds its own on both road and water. On land, it drives like a heavy-duty commercial vehicle, capable of reaching speeds between 50 and 70 km per hour depending on load and terrain. It uses diesel or hybrid engines that are rugged and built for urban driving. Some newer models are incorporating electric drive systems with separate propulsion units for land and water, which significantly reduce emissions and operational noise. When the bus enters water, it transitions to marine mode using a separate propulsion system, often a water jet or propeller powered by an onboard marine engine. The transition process is handled by a set of automated systems that change the drivetrain, deactivate road-based systems and activate marine controls. Steering on water is typically handled by rudders or vectored thrust systems, which allow for precise navigation in tight spaces. Average cruising speed on water ranges from 6 to 10 knots, which is fast enough for city tours but stable enough for safety and comfort. Handling is a major concern for any amphibious vehicle, and designers have worked to address this with features like hydraulic suspension systems that stabilize the vehicle during water entry and exit. Hull stabilizers and a low center of gravity further help reduce roll and keep the ride smooth even in mildly choppy waters. Advanced models come with GPS and depth sensors to assist with navigation and avoid underwater hazards, and some are equipped with radar and VHF radios to maintain communication with harbor authorities. Now let's talk about what makes the amphibious bus Truly stand out in today's transportation world, its most obvious selling point is the seamless transition from land to water, which adds incredible versatility to any transit system for cities with large bodies of water like rivers, lakes, or bays. This vehicle opens up routes that were previously disconnected or underused. Instead of building costly bridges or tunnels, an amphibious bus lets you connect neighborhoods with direct water routes using existing roadways and docks. From a tourism perspective, the amphibious bus is a goldmine. It combines the ease of a guided city tour with the excitement of a boat ride. Passengers don't have to switch vehicles or deal with complex transfers. They can enjoy the full journey in one seat with one ticket. This makes for a memorable and accessible experience that draws in both locals and tourists alike.
It's also worth noting the environmental advantages. Amphibious buses can reduce congestion on land by shifting some routes to the waterway. They also offer a smaller carbon footprint when compared to running separate land buses and ferries, especially with electric and hybrid propulsion gaining popularity. These buses could become key players in sustainable urban transport.
From an engineering standpoint, the amphibious bus is a testament to innovation and problem-solving. It merges two completely different sets of safety regulations and performance expectations into a single cohesive design. Every component, from the tires to the propellers, has to meet strict standards, and the coordination between systems has to be perfect for the bus to function safely and efficiently. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that the amphibious bus is not just a novelty but a forward-thinking solution for the future of mobility. It's practical, stylish, efficient, and just plain cool. Whether you're thinking about transit in flood-prone cities, expanding tourism experiences, or designing the future of smart urban infrastructure, the amphibious bus is definitely worth a closer look. Thanks for watching Sir Boat's Yacht Water Taxi, where we bring you the best in marine mobility, from water taxis to yachts to futuristic hybrids like this one. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what other water-based vehicles you'd like us to feature next. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep floating, and stay curious.